You guys, my brother is a rapper.
I'm in the kitchen, I used to put my eye on.
Guys, I remember that story. I made spaghetti. Why did you scare me like that? I ended up doing red rice that day. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel again. It's Pretty Leah on your screen, and I'm here with
Young Danny.
And young Danny is my younger brother, and we are excited today because we are going to be making jollof rice, delicious jollof rice, to welcome our mom back because she traveled for a while now, and we just decided to surprise her and film the video just to make it fun and interesting for us. You know, life is an adventure. Yeah. So, young Danny, I would like to ask you a question. Would you like to answer?
Okay.
So this video is going to be about question and answer while we cook this delicious jollof rice. So I'd like to ask you, what's your favorite memory of cooking with mommy?
My favorite memory was the first time I learned to cook with mom. And my first food I learned to cook was, let me say, rice and stew. Mom gave me spices and I added in the stew. She was okay. I was starting great. Then the rice, that was a hard part. I added too much salt, and then mom had to reduce the salt and add new water and salt. So
that is such a great memory. Mommy has a way of just saving the moment. She has a way of saving the day, and she's a very, very good cook. Very, very good cook. So let's just get to cooking. So we have our pots, our ingredients are ready, rice, chicken, everything is on set. So these are you, let us cook at it.
yes, now when you are going to shift or you use pot cover, shield your face.
Hi.
All those ladies out there learn to cook, shield your face. Pot
Is
cover.
that how you let us cook?
Yes, now like this, right?
Wait. So now the tomato is trying to get ready, and I'm going to use the opportunity to ask young Danny, do you remember any funny or interesting stories about learning how to cook? When you were learning how to cook, do you remember any funny stories, interesting stories? Something you did?
Yeah, I do. There was one time our mom dropped money for her transport when she traveled. A long time ago. I was still a kid that time. So my sister, not me, not us, my sister took the money and made cake with rice. She even decorated the ice the cake.
Yes.
She used the money to
That's
arrange
not me.
and decorate my mom's room.
Okay.
When mom came back, she was screaming. She said, "What? Let them know now." She said, "Why do you use the money more?"
Okay, so this is what happened. My mom was traveling. My mom loves to travel a lot. She enjoys traveling. So she was traveling that period. And then she gave me a particular amount of money. And she was like, keep it for me, oh, keep it. This is that and all of that. And I was like, okay, no problem. Because when I was younger, I used to be the accountant in the house, you know. I'm always the one with the money and everything. So so she gave me that money and she was like, keep it, oh, this is that. So me, I was like, maybe she dashed us the money, but she didn't tell me she wants to use it for transportation or anything. So she just called. We went ahead, I used this money. The day she was coming back, we baked cake. We arranged her room. I don't know, we just have this habit of when my mommy travels and she's coming back to do something special. Do you realize that?
Yeah.
Like, we always have something to do. Like, there's always a surprise.
Yeah,
But that surprise was not. Oh, no. My mom did not even know what to do. She was just looking at us. She didn't know if she was to beat us or just leave us alone or just break her head. She was just looking like she could not even smile, she could not even laugh. She was like, why would you use my transport money to bake cake? She was just looking at the cake like this. She was looking at the
chocolate cake.
Yeah, it was a chocolate cake.
She loves chocolate.
She loves chocolate a lot. So I was like, she was just looking looking at the cake. She was looking at the room that we decorated with balloons, flowers. You remember? We literally spent all the money on those things we did. My mom she almost went crazy because she didn't know what to do. She didn't know if she should break our head or just be looking at us. Okay, so moving on to the next question. So cooking can be a kind of like an adventure, do you know?
Yeah.
Like an adventure, like a trip. You don't know what is going to come out of it, right? Yeah, just do anything that happens goes to your head, and then that's how you end up doing red rice that day.
Oh yeah. Not red, it was pink.
Pink rice. My mother literally did pink rice.
I don't know what happened.
I think we're not around.
Yeah.
So I and my mom went out, and we always have cereal. My brother is not really a cereal person like that. He cannot just stay and make cereal on his own. Or like me, he only eats cereal when I'm around because I'm always making it. So my brother made rice. And he made pink rice. Like, can you imagine? He made pink rice. Like pink. If you see the rice, the rice was pink in color. I think I made it. I think I snapped a picture. Did I snap it? Yeah. But that rice was disgusting. But it was sweet. Trust me, I tasted it. It was sweet. But it was pink in color. That was the problem. See, this one, what you cook. Yeah, back to cooking. So the tomato is a lot. We just have to wait for it to get, dried. I don't like when tomato is dried, so we just have to wait for it to dry. And then proceed to the next. Jesus. Why did you scare me like that? Okay, this boy is always scaring me. Oh God. So while we wait for this stew to get ready, let's still ask another question. I'm sitting in an odd seat right now because I must ask you this question. My viewers must know things about you and about me. Okay, so the next question is, what is your favorite part of cooking with me?
Favorite part of cooking with you was when you made spaghetti. Yeah, you made spaghetti.
What kind of spaghetti? Stir fry. Stir fry.
Yeah. You made spaghetti and you added garlic ginger.
Garlic ginger, I added milk.
Yeah, garlic ginger with milk. Have you guys ever had that kind of?
Yes, now you can add milk in.
Why would you add milk in spaghetti?
Guys, I remember that story. I made spaghetti. I wanted to I'm the kind of person that I like adventurous food. I like making food that is I like doing different methods of making food. So I made spaghetti and I added milk in the spaghetti. Spaghetti was so creamy and nice. It was so sweet. Trust me, spaghetti was sweet. And then my brother and my mom came back and they refused to eat the spaghetti
because the thing had too much garlic.
It was not garlic.
Too much garlic. Then it was the next day. It was when it tasted. Let us give a credit. Credit out of 6. It tasted good. Out of 10.
That spaghetti was 100.
But
this boy, later in the morning, stole that spaghetti and finished the whole pot. You stole the spaghetti and finished the whole pot.
There was nothing else to eat, so I just had to manage.
This boy is something else. So you're trying to say I don't know how to cook?
I can cook passion.
With your pink rice.
Yeah, but you said it was sweet.
But my spaghetti that you finished the whole pot. It's not sweet, Abby.
It's not sweet. It's still not sweet now.
Oh, really?
Come and take cooking lessons from the rapper anytime. We'll teach you. I can cook spaghetti, egusi, rice, jollof rice, fried rice. It's a bit of fried rice. You need the rice and chicken balls.
He knows nothing. If you eat his food, you will eat poison.
Hey.
You eat pink egusi.
I will cook for you. You will bite your fingers.
Aww, that's so sweet.
Excellent.
Say you cook for you. and you bite your finger off. That's so sweet. Well, I am glad we get to do this together. I get to cook with you on camera. Yay! I think it's going fun. So if you're enjoying this video, do like, comment, and subscribe. Okay? Okay, so young Ghana, what does jollof rice remind you of?
Jollof rice reminds me of the color red.
Okay.
And my best color mainly is red. And jollof rice is a food that mom does every time.
Yeah, most of the time.
Every time. She does on Christmas, New Year, or Easter, any holiday.
She does jollof rice almost all
That's
the
the
time.
most food she does. No one ever on holiday. She just bring out the pot, sit down, and brainstorm something. She does the jollof rice or anything.
So that's so nice. Mom is always making jollof rice, like almost all the time. So we mostly eat jollof rice in the house.
Yeah.
Okay. So what's that food mom has made that you find it so interesting that you can eat it over and over again? What's the favorite food that mommy has actually made? What?
That's the food that food just bring it to my front like this. Just carry on going and follow it.
This boy and my mom loves rice a lot. Like
Especially
I am
rice
the outcast in this house. Like I don't really like rice like that. I don't even like eating. Funny how I'm thick like this, but like I don't like eating. Like I don't even eat. My mom is always like, this one I does not even eat. Don't I sweet? Do I sweet? Like I don't eat like that now. So my own favorite food that mom has made. Beans. My mom knows beans is my favorite food. Like she can never go wrong with beans. Like this and plantain. She can never go wrong with beans. Like beans is just like when she makes beans, girl, I'm so happy because I know that beans is sweet. That means it's just going to give me joy. Like I just love beans a lot. Okay, what's the best food that mom has made that you that food has made you lick the plate? Remember.
That would be
Stew is always getting right.
yam sauce. Yam and sauce. Egg sauce. The sauce was very, very delicious. I had to cry the plates. Flat plate. Oh, Jesus. You guys mean
Mom never goes wrong with sauce. As well.
Egg sauce.
I don't think my mom has ever had problem with food.
Yeah.
I don't think so because the way the story she used to tell us, she tells us that I've been cooking since I was, what did she used to call it?
Since I was 5, I've been with my mom in the kitchen. I used to stay
Since
there.
I was 5, I've been with my mom in the kitchen. I used to put my eye and look how she's cooking, wherever. She's always talking about she has been cooking since she was 5. I don't know if it's true, but like I think I'm going to bring her on this on set one day and like ask her some of these questions that she used to say if they were true or not. So she's always like, I've been cooking since I was 5. I used to be with my mom in the kitchen since I was 5, and she just never goes wrong with food. Like I don't know, she never goes wrong with food. It's also surprising. She never has any problem with food. Huh? Or like me like this. Sometimes I go terrible with food.
Yeah.
Okay, so my own favorite food mom has made that I have licked my plate, my hand, I have licked the plate. Trust me, I have licked the plate. That was okra soup. You're not born then, you're still small.
Oh.
That time, mom, like I didn't.
I'm eldest in the house.
I didn't used to have like I didn't used to like okra soup thing, but my mom made this okra soup one day. I think it's okra and okra. I don't know.
Yeah, she mixes soup. She likes to
Yeah, she likes to mix that okra and okra. But I think it's okra. I bet it's okra. Yeah, as you see, it's almost getting dry. Like it's even dry, but not dry. The way my mom makes it. Like I want to make it exactly the way my mom makes it. So continue the story. That day she made this okra. Like it was so nice. Like since that day I started eating okra. Like when I was younger, I don't even used to eat swallow. What is swallow? I don't like swallow. I don't even eat rice. I used to use cane to eat rice then. I think she'll tell you the story. She's always telling everybody. So she made this okra, and I was eating this okra. I think it was okra and fufu then or pounded yam. I can't remember. So I finished eating this okra. I asked her to give me another soup. Like I asked for soup 3 times. My mom gave me wholeheartedly because she knows that this girl, she does not really eat, so she needs it. So man, that's okra was really, really nice. And just kudos to my mom. She's always making the best. Yeah. Yeah. My mom is always making the best food. Did I tell you guys my brother is a rapper? Yeah, my brother is a rapper. A rapper that has no record.
Yeah. No record.
But we are getting there soon. So the food is almost getting ready. Like the rice is already in the fire, boiling already. So I'm going to ask you one last question before we go. And the question is, what do you think about people cooking together?
It makes them more closer and gives them an experience that they've never experienced before, and also they explore new things as they try new foods.
Yeah, new adventures and all. I think that people cooking together promotes love
Yeah.
in the family, even if it's brother and sister, mother and daughter, son and mother, mother and father, husband and wife, girlfriend and boyfriend, spouses, I feel like cooking together actually makes you guys come together in love, harmony, and fun. Cause this video was fun to make, and I'm just so excited. Yeah. Well, thank you guys for joining us as we made this delicious jollof rice for our mom. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as we enjoyed making it. Stop making me. As we enjoyed making it. So remember that cooking is all about love, memories, adventures. What else did you call it again? Exploring different cooking skills and experiences. So from our kitchen to your kitchen, my mom's kitchen, right? From our mom's kitchen to your kitchen, we wish you happy cooking and happy eating and
happy birthday.
happy Sunday.
Happy birthday.
It's not your birthday.
It's your
Well,
birthday.
it's your birthday. Happy birthday. I don't know why this boy just wants to say happy birthday on this video.
I'm made.
So guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, please subscribe, like, and comment for more fun videos like this. Even more fun is coming to this channel, right? We have other more fun videos to present to you guys, because we are no longer doing only talk. No more talk and boring you guys. There are lots of fun coming on this channel. So stay tuned for my next video. See you. Bye. Mwah. Bye.
Peace.
Peace, baby.
That's you.
Ooh.